friends, thanks for stopping by. I have a massive haul for you, massive. I have been in the mood to buy fall things or just try new things. So I'm not even sure I'm going to do this video all in one sitting because I'm trying to shorten my videos, all right? But we're going to get started because if I babble, it's not going to make for a short video. So the first thing I want to share are these earrings. I thought they were adorable, and I love anything in the burnt red or burnt orange family, and these were from Target. And they are from SUGARFIX by Bobble Bar, and they were $12.99. They are lightweight. They are not dragging the ear down or anything like that. I just think they are really, really cute earrings. And they go with my lipstick, which is also new, which I'll be sharing in a minute. So again, these earrings are from Target, and they were $12.99 Bobble Bar. All right, so I'm just going to go into my little Ulta bag here, and that's how we are going to start. So I went into Ulta because I had tried this mask, and I really liked it. So I went and I picked up a couple more because I don't know if I'll be able to find them in Florida. So I wanted to have some pumpkin masks, so I picked those up. And if you want to see the results of that, I do have a video which I will link below for you so that you can go and look at it. And I also love these Acure masks. And they are starting to get the eye mask in. And as I mentioned, I am trying very hard to address the wrinkles under the eye. So I bought all three formulas that were suited for me. And this is the brightening under eye and the radically rejuvenating and the seriously soothing eye mask. And they're all very affordable. And they go on sale at Ulta as well. But these are the biocellulose, which really adhere to the skin nicely so that you can move around. And the Acure line is 100% vegan, parabens, sulfate, phthalates, mineral oil, petrolatum, silicone, and cruelty-free. So great, those are great eye masks. Okay, so then I saw they have the egg cream mask there now, and this is the pore tightening, and I'm having some issues with age with the pores, so I thought I would give this a try. If you've used this already, this brand, let me know. I also purchased, well, this isn't from Ulta, but I purchased this from Frisco Beauty, and I needed some more enzyme masks because I had pretty much used up all my enzyme masks. So I love the pumpkin. Again, this is in a video. You can see the results. But this is the pumpkin enzyme mask level 1 enzyme, or level 2, I'm sorry, enzyme mask from Sanitas. I'm really enjoying the Sanitas brand. My skin has become a little more sensitive with age. And even though these ingredients are, they get the job done, it doesn't irritate my face, my skin. So I really like this. And then I saw that CoverGirl has this foundation. I don't think this is new, but it's a radiance foundation, and I thought, oh, I'll buy this and then I can review it for my aging mature women that are watching me. And it is the CoverGirl Advanced Radiance Foundation. I thought I would give this a try. I ended up buying 2 colors because I really couldn't tell which one was going to be best for me. So we have that to look forward to. And then you all know I love the London Town. I just threw these in this bag. They're not from Ulta. You all know that I love the London Town nail polishes. And I'm just so into dark colors. And I'm into blues all of a sudden. I mean, I used to be one of those people, I'm not wearing blue nail polish, I'm not wearing green nail polish. Well, there's something about blue that I am just absolutely in love with now. So I did buy some more colors from the London Town brand. And I didn't swatch them like I normally do, but I will in a future video. So the first blue is called Across the Pond. Look at that blue. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Isn't that just incredible? Can you imagine that on your toes, ladies? I see it on mine. And then the next one is even a darker blue. And this is Buckingham blue. A lot of people say, oh, well, you're a certain age. You shouldn't do that. Don't be one of those women that doesn't wear something that you have a yearning for just because society says you shouldn't be doing it. You don't want to have your last breath saying, I wish I would have tried blue nail polish. Do it. Do it now while you can enjoy it, my friends. Okay, so again, this one here, take a look at that color. Look at that. Is that not a beautiful, rich navy? So gorgeous. And again, this is the London Town Lakur. There will be a link below for you for 25% off of these. This color here is just so beautiful, and it's called Lady Luck. And this one here goes along with colors that I have worn for years. It's just a beautiful, rich wine color. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? So beautiful. I absolutely love it. And I don't have any nail polish on my nails right now because they are just a mess. So I have, you know, I've been doing a lot of packing and all that kind of stuff. So they are a mess, but they will get back to order. Okay, so then the next color is Chim Cheree. And this is a black. I just said I want a black nail polish. I mean, I've had some in the past, but I don't know that what I did with them. I probably gave them away. But this is just your basic black, and I just think it's going to be beautiful. There's something about a black and a navy nail polish that really just looks so classy to me. It really does. So got those things. Okay, so another Sanita's mask is the Cranberry Lactic Mask. Now this one I have used in the past, and I really love it. So I will link both of these below because they're white and you're not going to be able to see them on the camera. Okay, so now we are at Sephora. So I saw this. I haven't been in Sephora for a while, so I thought I'm going to try it. This is from Dr. Jart, and I usually like things from Dr. Jart. This is the V7. It's a priming moisturizer. So I'm assuming that I won't have to use a primer when I use this moisturizer. So this is with multivitamin complex, and it is a light multitasking primer moisturizer that helps visibly even out the complexion and noticeably blurs the pores. That was the reason why I picked it up. So we are going to give this a try and see how that works. Okay, so I picked this up at the drugstore the other day because I'm kind of going to do like a little experiment, and it might make it to camera. We'll see. But I bought the Burt's Bees Lemon Butter Cuticle Cream because I do get asked a lot, well, how do you think that compares to, if I'm using a higher end, they'll say, well, how do you think that compares to a drugstore brand? You know, I think there's good in everything, so we'll see. I'm going to do a little experiment. This company did send me this. This is from Alter Ego, and this is the Sahara. And their palettes usually are knockoffs of another. And she did tell me who this was, but I think it's a Natasha Denona. But anyway, I just thought it had some really beautiful colors in it. And I do like these shadows, so I will wear them and let you know. But I have reviewed their palettes in the past, and they are nice. Very nice and very, very affordable. Okay, so speaking of palettes and what I'm wearing on my eyes today, I wasn't going to get this, but like a moth to the flame, there I was, hovering around it, and I said, oh, okay. So I ended up getting the Naked Urban Decay Honey, and I am wearing it on my eyes today, and I really do like it with this rich burnt red lipstick. But it's not going to be for everyone because I don't think that a really cool individual could wear this, but the warm skin people definitely will be able to. And that is what it looks like. And today I am wearing this one here in the crease. I am wearing, no, I'm sorry, this one here I'm wearing in the crease and pretty much all over. And then I move into Hive, which goes in my crease. And then I have just a little bit of golden on my lid. I will say there is a ton of dust that kicks up off of these, but if you tap them, you don't get any fallout because I didn't have any fallout from it. So I'm enjoying it. I like the look that I got today from it. I think it looks pretty, especially for fall. But again, I don't think that a really cool toned person is going to be able to wear that. Okay, so the next item might be a little odd, but I have very bad varicose veins, And I also have a faulty valve in my left leg, which is what causes all the aching and wakes me up at night. My legs always feel tired. And it's not anything that's detrimental to my health. It's just a nuisance. So I know a lot of women who stand on their feet all day long and they have varicose vein problem, or they may even have a venous problem like I have with the valve. It doesn't, I have blood pooling because the valve doesn't take in all of the blood. So it's like a little pooling effect going on. Long story short, when I went to a vascular surgeon, not too long ago, and we talked, and there are options. I can have them remove the varicose veins, or I can have them laser them so it collapses. And then my brothers actually had to have that done because it's kind of a hereditary thing. But they also told me that I have to start wearing compression socks or stockings. And Lou has been telling me for years, Tammy, you need to wear compression stockings. And I'm like, way to go, make me feel old, Louie. And he's like, I'm just trying to help you. And I have ignored his suggestion for years, but he was right. Okay, so I thought, all right. While I was in the vascular surgeon's office, the PA was sitting with me, and she said, I wear them every day. And I looked down, and she had on these really pretty socks, cute socks, stylish socks. And I said, those are compression socks? And she said, yeah. She goes, you can get them online. You can get all kinds. So I thought I would share. Now, these I bought. The dermatologist that I go to is also a vein specialist. He does the laser for veins. So he has a large clientele that needs compression socks. And he has this big unit hanging up. And I always ignored it. I didn't even pay any attention to it because I didn't know I just walked by it, didn't even notice it. So then I called them up and I said, do you have compression socks? Because I knew they were a vein. And then something in my head said, you walk by socks all the time in there, but I didn't pay attention. So I went one day and I picked up some compression socks, and I'm sharing them because they are adorable. And I don't mind wearing them now. So the brand he carries is Vim Vigr, but look at those socks. Now, these are compression socks, my friends, and who wouldn't want to wear these over the ugly nude color ones that they give us that make you look like you're a ghost? But these, and I wear 20 to 30, but these are fabulous. And I wear a size small. It is very important to buy for your shoe size and your calf size. So I wear these small in these because I have a very small foot. But anyway, and they are expensive. These were $39, but I know you can pay a lot more when you get the prescription if your prescription doesn't cover them. So these were $39, but you can order these online. And I think online they're a little more expensive, but and I bought another pair. I have a solid burgundy pair. She had on a beautiful pair of pink. They were beautiful pink, so I was excited. But I did go on Amazon, and I ordered a couple more styles that are just as nice. Now, you have to put in the weight that you need, and I need the 20 to 30. So this was just a plain black pair that I bought because I needed a black pair to go with black, but they have cute little design on them. So I thought, well, those are so cute because, I mean, I know I'm 60, but I still like to have a little style going on. So this was another pair that I bought. And I'll list and link these below because these were all on Amazon. And look at these. They're beautiful purple with little gray toes. So why wouldn't you want to wear something stylish if you have to wear compression hose? Because I do think it's very important. You know, I mean, when I wear them, it's amazing how much better I feel. So they are really, really cute. And then while on Amazon, they also have, now these I went a little crazy. I said, well, let me see what they all look like. There's polka dotted ones. There's striped ones, and then there are some Argyle style ones. These here confuse me a little bit because they do not have the weight on them. So I may send this batch back because I want to make sure that they have the right weight that I'm supposed to have. So anyway, compression socks are out there, and they can be pretty. I think all of these are really, really cute. So don't just think you have to stay. And on Amazon, some of these were $17. So they're out there, okay? You just have to make sure that, like I said, I'm 20 to 30. Some people are 40 to 60 or whatever. So pay attention to that. All right, friends, I'm going to split this video in two because I don't want my videos to go that long anymore. So look for haul number 2, which will include lipstick swatching, and I have some body products here. I have a couple more things to share, and I want to get them all in, but I don't want to take up all your time. All right, my friends, so thanks for stopping by. If you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as an ageless beauty, so hit that subscribe button right there, and right next to it is a bell notification. Hit that so you are made aware of all the videos that I'm putting up. Until the next time, my friends, go out in the world and be happy, healthy, beautiful, and most of all, my friends, lovable. I probably have lipstick all over my Invisalign, but I don't care. I'm amongst friends. I love you all. BISOUS.